Okay, so for scenario one, what I did to figure this out was subtract 25 from 37, which gave me 12.5, giving me the difference between the initial purchase amount and how much it had grown. I then divided 12.5 by 25, which gives me the percentage of the difference of what the initial purchase price was. And that gave me 0.5, which is 50%. So our ending interest rate is 50% for that 1 year, which is actually pretty good. And then what I did to solve scenario two was took 25 and multiplied it by 0.1, which is 10%, and I ended with 2.5. I added this value to 25, which gives me 27.5. I now take this and multiply it by 10 or 0.1, which is 10%, which gives me 2.75, and I add this value to 27.5. And then I continue this process 3 more times, which equals 5 times total, representing the 5 years. So 27.5 plus 2.75 equals 30.25. And then I, go all the way through, ending with 40.26. And then I double checked this in a time value calculator on calculator.net. And then personally, I would take scenario one, given the time value money concept. The 50% I would accrue in 1 year is simply more valuable in both its numerical value and the fact that it would accrue a lot faster. And the money I receive can be reinvested, returning more profit, given the same value of money numerically invested now has more value than the value being invested later. Even though the return is less than scenario one, there is still a 4 year difference between the two investments, allowing me to reinvest that 50% back and receive a greater return in scenario two. So